G'day guys, it's John from Oz General Store. It's a beautiful Sunday in Melbourne. Got the XD out today. We've given her a wash. We've gone for a drive. It's been great. Let's talk about the 1980s in Australia. It was, it was an interesting time back then. Bit of glitz, bit of glamour, maybe some shoulder pads on your suit jacket. Back in the 1980s, we had Bob Hawke as Prime Minister.
In my eyes, probably the greatest Prime Minister of Australia. He relates to the people, the public love him, and all of the richies gave him a beer and said, have a skull. And what does one of our greatest Prime Ministers do? He sculled it. Listen, they're going skull, skull, skull. And the great man, Bobby Hawke, nailed it.
We had union issues, we had inflation, and of course, who could forget the 1987 stock market crash? Between 1980 and 1982, Ford decided to go ahead with the XD. Before that, the predecessor was the XC Falcon, which was a beautiful Coke bottle shape. XA, XB, XC, all within the same family. You then moved over to the boxy shape, the large sedans. It was actually a smaller car from the XC, but you didn't lose any interior space. So the XD and XE are of that boxy shape. As you guys know, I've had this XD for some time. It's been well over a year. Plenty of people have asked for updates, and here it is. I've been waiting, I've been thinking about the type of shots that I wanted to take, and it's taken some time, but here we are. Again, you guys know that I'm a slow moving creature. I really haven't done too much with it. I've really been enjoying driving this car. It's full reg. I work in Dandenong. I basically drive it every single day, and I don't have a normal daily driver. So let's go for a bit of a walk around. The paint is beautiful. It's still straight off the gun. We've sharpened up the lines, as you can see. We did a little bit of body work. The lines over here, and it really accentuates that boxy shape. Things that I have planned for the future, I'm going to replace the weather strips here, and on the inside interior it's all sunburned, so I will be fixing that up in the future. I'm really enjoying the bench seat. I'm not going to do anything about that. There's a bit of wear and tear in the driver's area, but hey, it is what it is. Of course, the dreaded door handles. Yes, there's always been a problem with XD and XE and whatever else, the door handles. So any passenger, perhaps even my missus, if she's trying to get in, well, she can't. So I have to open it from the inside. So that's on the to-do list. I actually have fixed that before, but it's broken again. But you guys knew that. I've got the Combo Pros. I think they're 15 by 9.5. So they're fatties. You don't have to mini tub it. They fit straight on with a standard diff. Love it. I've got 15 by 4s. You would call them pizza cutters for the fronts. I think 4s are just a little bit too thin. I mean, when I turn, I think I'll still be going straight on. So I really don't want that. So I want to be able to turn. So I'm thinking about 15 by 6s when I get around to it, when money permits. Let's come around this side here. Recently, I've got some black paint. I think, I forget the name of it, but you rub it on and it starts to bring back the bumpers. So I've done the first coat, so I'm going to do the second coat and bring them up and give them a lift even more. But they're getting better and better. Let's keep going around, guys. Again, look at that beautiful body line there. It's great, I love it. It's a fantastic car. Back in 1980, the price of a brand new Ford Falcon was about $5,800. This is just a GL, it's the Povo Pact. It only has one mirror. In today's money though, we're talking about $19,800. Can you buy a brand new car for that? Maybe, maybe not. Is this car worth 19 grand? We know the price of used cars are going up. I'm not quite sure, you guys decide. how about I show you the engine bay? Not much has changed, still that 4.1 litre crossflow, the beast. There it is, new plugs, extractors. I painted the rocker cover, painted the air cleaner, new filter, changed the EGR pipe. That needs a new master cylinder, but she'll be right. Geez, what else can I tell you? Hey, I did get a new grill, so check this out. I finally got one without the driving lights. Thanks to Brett in Listerfield. Thanks, mate, appreciate it. She looks a beauty. Future plans for the motor, I'm still not quite sure, but maybe you guys can drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think. We have plenty more projects. Make sure you like and subscribe to our videos because it gives us the confidence to start making more videos for you guys. If you enjoy it, please comment because I'll reply back. Thanks, guys.